Daddy Sat on a Duck by Scott M. Cohn. Daddy sat on a duck. Daddy sat on a duck at dinner one night. "Excuse me," he said, which I thought was polite. I know that if somebody sat on my back, I'd be angry enough to let out a big quack. Next morning I woke to the sound of a roar. Could a lion be lurking behind Mommy's door? When Rue and I tiptoed inside there to scout, the lion had already let himself out. Then later, as Mommy was doing my due, I saw a gorilla using all my shampoo. He was howling and scratching and covered with hair, but when I opened the curtain, only Daddy was there. Later on, from the bathroom, I heard a great din, like a hippo mistakenly sat on a pin. Brrr. When Daddy came out, I could tell from the smell that a very large mammal had been there as well. I was starting to feel like I lived in a zoo. Hoo-hoo, squeak, squeak, burroo. So I asked my best friend if she felt that way too. "Do you ever notice wild beasts in your house?" She said only once, when her mom saw a mouse. Sometimes in the bathroom I'll find little hares. Once I heard a strange wail coming up from downstairs. Whee! I followed it to the garage where I found Uncle Johnny and Daddy were making that sound. Free fallin'. I was finally fed up. I will find them today. These creatures are no longer welcome to stay. Petweet, petweet, waka waka, grf, scree, whoop whoop, chip chip chip. The basement, I thought, is the animal's lair, but I didn't see any, just Mommy down there. These animals seem to be one step ahead. I asked Daddy about it. Here's what he said. "Have you ever had dinner with a chimpanzee, or sailed on a walrus's back through the sea, or ridden a bald eagle up into the skies? A house of wild animals is full of surprise. Since then I've made peace with the things in my home that should furr and make noises wherever they roam. And now I leave some of my snack on a stool in case they get hungry while I'm at school. You may find it strange that I live among beasts, but really I don't even mind in the least. For there's nothing so nice at the end of the night as a kiss from a bear when he turns out the light." The end.